Here we go, Tiki Talkers. Got one that won't start. We'll see. We'll see what's going on. Yeah, it looks like they've been in here already. I guess they couldn't figure it out, but we'll see. Communication error. Oh, I'm gonna try K3 relay. We'll see. All right, change the K3 relay. Oh, come on, you bastard. Well, it'll be smart if I turn this back on. Let's see what we got now. Look at that. I don't believe this. All that bullshit they couldn't figure out this morning. Fucking 6-7 hours for the fucking K3 relay, bro. Unfucking believable, man. Unbelievable, baby, for a fucking K3 relay. That goes over there, baby. Come on, let's get back to basic, guys.